Tinodo ni Kailin Alcantara ang kanyang pananakot ng magbihis siya bilang isang mambabara ngayong Halloween 2024. Malayo nga sa sweet girl aura ni Kailin ang nakita ng fans nang ibahagi niya ang kanyang spooky look. Caption ni Kailin sa kanyang post, "The Mambabarang is a notorious figure in Philippine mythology known as a malevolent witch or sorcerer. Unlike the traditional healer or albularyo, the Mambabarang uses dark magic to inflict harms on others. They are believed to control insects such as beetles or flies and use this creature to possess or attack their victims, often causing illness, madness, or overdeath. The Mambabarang power is rooted in deep resentment or revenge, and their craft involve intense ritual that connect them with the spiritual or supernatural realm." Napawaw naman ang fans ng actress sa kanyang effort para maging iba ang look ngayong Halloween, as in 100 points nga raw dahil sa look. "Ito lang yung mambabarang na mahal ko," ay sabi ng isang netizen. "Grabe Kailin, sobrang slay mo dito," comment pa ng isa. Pero sa kabila nito, meron namang hindi bet ang costume ni Kailin. "She is a fine actress but I really do not want her to portray like this one. Bagay sa kanya yung angelic na mga maskara, all pertaining to the Lord, my opinion," saad ng isang netizen. Ilan pa sa mga artista na naniniwala sa supernatural entities ay ang singer na si Jada Abansado at actress na si Loisa Andalio. Ang kanilang ghost encounters ay ikinuwento nila mismo sa secret interview ng Inquirer. Inamin ni Jada na ilang beses na siyang nakaramdam pero nung una raw ay hindi siya makapaniwala hanggang sa na-experience niya sa mismo ng dalawin ng yumaong mahal sa buhay. "At first, I admit that I was little skeptical, but I have a couple run when it comes to supernatural and ghosts that sometimes you will hear things come the hours of 3 a.m. Sometimes you don't know if it's just your imagination or if it's really there," chika ng young singer. Patuloy na, "Sometimes with certain family members who will let their presence known, like when they pass, you suddenly smell the strong scent of dead flowers." Ayon kay Jada, mga ganyang klaseng pakiramdam pa lang kanyang nararanasan at hindi pa siya talaga nakakakita mismo ng multo. Para naman kay Loisa, may mga time na nagmamalikmata siya sa dilim pero hindi raw siya natatakot. "I believe in ghosts because of course there are bad or evil spirits here, but I'm just not afraid of them," sabi ng actress. Paliwanag niya, "Because once you have God, you are more powerful, you will not be afraid." Huwag kalimutang i-click ang subscribe button at i-ring ang notification bell para sa latest at legit chika updates.